Hey, it's Melanie from Southern Charm Quilts, and I just wanted to let you know that we have wrapped up Chapter 3 of the Cozy Fall Stitches class. This was a class with us, or a chapter of Cozy Fall Stitches, where we walked through the whole pumpkin star pillow pattern. This is a 20-inch pillow. It's all very easy, beginner-friendly piecing, and then in the class we finish with some straight line quilting, some guided quilting, and then also some very yummy free motion quilting. I've also included a few lessons of how to start free motion quilting if you've never done it before. If you want to make this yourself, the Pumpkin Star Pillow Pattern is a free pattern in my resource library. And if you'd like to take all the step-by-step demos, you can find this chapter in the Cozy Fall Stitches class. Or if you join the Quilty Club membership, you get this class, the pattern, and everything else at Quilty Club as part of your monthly membership. Thanks for watching this video, and if you do decide to make the pumpkin star pillow, please share it with me. I would love to see it.